Hey guys, it's Cheyenne. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I know I haven't been posting for a very long time. It's because I've been very busy, and I'll tell you all about that in the description box down below because I know my intros are long. So anyway, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. So in today's video, I am going to be using this Play-Doh Vinci. I believe it's called Play-Doh Vinci. It says it right there. And it's from the 99-cent store, as you can see the tag right there. And yeah, this is like trying out 99-cent store products. I never tried this before, ever. And I thought it might be fun to try it with you guys today. And yes, I know my hair is curly because I just took a shower. So, yeah, let's open it up. So I got my scissors. I'm going to cut the tape. However, if I know how to open this, which I don't, by the way. Don't forget today's April Fool's. This is open. Alright, so I got this open finally. Okay, so here is like, I guess it's for on here because it says, this must be like for the picture frame. So yeah. What else do we have? Oh, dark in here. Okay. I'm trying to get it out. Got it. So this must be like to decorate it. I guess it's for the Play-Doh thing. I'm not sure. Then we need to get these Play-Doh paint thingies out of here. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, so we're getting stuck. Alright, so put this box over here. Right there. Alright, okay, so my little sister has this same thing, but it's just like different. Then we'll get to the directions. Yeah, let's get to the directions. Alright, so here are the directions. So, I think we're supposed to put these in this thing somehow, which I will try to figure out. Alright, so set those aside, and then let's open up this. Okay, so I got that open. Throw that over there. This is weird. Okay, so then we get this out. I like the color. So this is like for the picture frame or something like that. I think we're supposed to poke these out. I don't really read directions good. Alright, so I think I did this wrong. I'm pretty sure. I always do things wrong. Not worried about that part. Alright, let's start off. Oh, this doesn't poke out anymore. There it does. So we got the frame out, which is good. Now we need to get the stands out of this thing. I'm kind of getting the hang of it. Alright, so pretty sure on the box these are supposed to stand up, but they're not listening. But let's not worry about that. Alright, so let's start using this. Okay, so I'm going to pick a color. I'm going to pick this blue. And the directions say I need to put this, and we'll put that in there. Put this in here. Then I just push. Then it comes out so cool. Or then it's Play-Doh when it has glitter in it. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Okay. Anyways, let's get to designing this. Came on instructions. I'm doing a terrible job. Look at that. Horrible. I guess we're supposed to let it dry after this. I'm not sure yet. I'm so shaking right now because I'm so scared. I do not know what I'm doing exactly. Alright, so was I supposed to put this on like this? Guys, I literally have no clue how to use this stuff. No clue at all. Let's try the green. Finally, it came out. I have to like hold it down every time it goes. I'm so bad at this. Oh, I did it! Kind of. Okay, we're just gonna leave it at that. Good job for me. It's cool to work with, but very hard to work with, because as you can see, my masterpiece is sloppy, because I do not know how to use Play-Doh. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'll tune in with you guys tomorrow, and it will be tomorrow, because tomorrow I am doing April Fool's prank. Even though April Fool's is today, I know my schedule got mixed up. But anyway, love you guys. Bye!